I think it's fantastic to see the quality of the work that the winners have done. First of all, 888 competitors just coming down to 40 winners, and then just seeing what they'd actually done and seeing the exhibition. I was really, really impressed. I was impressed by the quality of the ideas. I was impressed by the inspiration, the creativity, and I was impressed by the entrepreneurial spirit which these young people were showing.
I think it's a fantastic event. I think it's wonderful to see all of these young people who are over here having a good time. It's wonderful to see them getting together, sharing ideas, and really coming up with some fantastic eco-concepts that they might well be able to take forward to commercial fruition. It's really nice to see young people coming up with fresh ideas. We're giving them support, British Council are giving them support, they're listening to us, and I think a lot of these ideas really can make it through to commercial fruition and can be successful. I wish them all the best.
Sam from Korea, and what he has done, he's taken something which is very common in everyday life and which most people use once and throw away, and then he's used his imagination to create something useful for people, which is where you can use it for a book or for a plate or for some sort of display. And I think what's really interesting about this, two things. One is that young people, given the chance, can be very creative about what's in our environment.
I think there's a lot of optimism there, and I think events like this, it's producing a generation, if you like, of people, or a group of people who can actually implement projects on the ground and help to ensure that this moves forward. And there are ways you can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and you can generate a sustainable economy that aren't expensive at the start. What you have to do is just set up the right mechanisms, the right financial incentives, and you need people with innovative ideas to try and set the projects in place. So every individual has a lot of power, and please use that power, and if we work together, then I think we can achieve a lot.
Well, I think there are three things we need to do. One, we have to work with the winners to make their ideas a reality, and that's something that we'll do with LRQA. I think the second thing is we want to build on the network that these people are making, and just look around us tonight. You know, everybody's talking to everybody else. They're so excited about the opportunity of meeting each other and having new ideas. And thirdly, we have to ask the question, how do we take this idea of e-idea to a wider public, to perhaps to other parts of the world, and build a wider network? I think you need to get in contact with other people. You need good advice on how to make a practical reality of some of these, and that's something which I think LRQA can help with. You need to get in contact with commercial companies, and you need to actually have the intention of going from idea and prototype to something which is practical and useful and workable on the ground.